Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant day to anyone watching my presentation. In this video, I will be showing you my Power BI dashboard which I have created for SIT Task 3. I will start by showing the first page of my dashboard, which is the sales performance. First, let's look at the sales performance by year chart, where our sales dropped from 2014 to 2015 and then increased steadily from 2015 to 2017 onwards. As for the profits, our profits continue to increase for every year. Next, let's look at the sales performance by quarter chart. As we can observe here, it shows that for every year, our sales peaked at quarter 4, then drops back again at the first quarter, possibly due to the holiday season. Our profits also indicate the same trend pattern. Our company can focus sales during the holiday period as sales and profits will be the highest during that time in quarter 4. If we take a look at these slicers, we can select which specific section of our sales we want to see. For example, if I select the year 2017 and select office supplies category, the entire dashboard changes the data according to what I picked. The numbers on top of here shows how much sales, the total cost, gross profit, and how many orders were made for office supplies in 2017. The sales category chart shows sales in office supplies for 2017, and the sales by customer segment chart here shows where the sales are being made for office supplies in 2017. Lastly, the chart on the right shows how much profit and loss is made for office supplies in 2017. And if we reset the selection on the slicers, the dashboard will go back to showing all of our sales data. Let's go to the next page, which is the customer segmentation. This dashboard shows our sales made with our customer segments, which are customer, corporate, and HQ segment. Looking at the sales by year, total sales, sales percentage, or profit percentage chart in this dashboard, it is clear that the sales and profits made with the customer segment are the highest. Therefore, if our company wants to make the most amount of sales, we can focus our sales in the customer segment. Looking at the sales percentage and profit percentage chart, which I have visualized using the donut chart, we can see that the percentage of sales made for each customer segment nearly corresponds with the profit percentage. The HQ segment made 19% of sales and 20% of profits. The corporate segment made 30% of sales and 32% of profits. And the customer segment made 50% of sales and 46% of profits. Our company can research what the corporate and HQ segments focus their purchases on with our company in the next page, which is the sales by product category. This dashboard shows the sales of each of the product categories and this dashboard shows the sales of each of the product categories our company makes its sales and the customer segments with what product categories they make their purchases in. Looking at the customer segmentation by product category chart, we can see that the HQ segment leans towards more purchases from the technology category. Therefore, we can prioritize selling technology category products to the HQ segment and hopefully increase sales from the HQ segment. Coincidentally, the technology category is also our company's most successful product category, making up 36% of sales and 51% of profits. As we live in the digital age and technology is part of everyone's lives, we can further improve sales in this category, not only in the HQ segment, but in general as well. Also, if we look at the profit percentage chart, the furniture category makes the least amount of profits despite having about the same sales value as the other categories. Our company needs to investigate why the furniture category is not as profitable as the other product categories and quickly apply the solution before it gets even worse. The last dashboard, which is the sales by state dashboard, visualizes our sales by the regions and states in Malaysia. Looking at the sales by state and sales by region chart visualized using the waterfall chart, the East Malaysian region is the region where our company generates the most sales, where Sabah is the state which also generates the most sales in the East Malaysian region. Although the entire West Malaysian region combined generates more sales than the East Malaysian region. This is to be expected as the population in East Malaysia is significantly less than in West Malaysia. The sales department can study each nation and region to possibly find a potential replacement for the underperforming furniture category. On the right, looking at these two charts, the sales for customer segment by region and the sales for each product category by region chart, the Central West Malaysia and Northwest Malaysian region both have underwhelming sales performance compared to these other regions. The sales department should also propose a statement and a solution as to why those regions do not generate as much sales as the other region. We have reached the end of my video presentation. Thank you for watching and goodbye.